made almost 3 million last year in PPF. This is how. So you just started your PPF business, or you've had your PPF business for years. Things that you need to consider and you have to have as top priority. Did you call your customers back? Did you respond back to your emails? Talk to the guy, get his estimate that came into the front door. So many things that keep the business tracking in the positive direction. So this is why you should buy our CRM. It's only $3,000 one-time fee. It's only $500 a month. You're gonna get 60,000 leads and you're gonna have so much business you don't know what to do. You know, I'm just kidding. We're not about that over here. The last thing we're gonna try to do is give you the gimmicks. We're always about just good content, good information for you guys, whether you're a consumer or a shop owner. Give us a follow, check us out, make sure you stay up with our videos. We always have something good for you to see.